today we're gonna make some rain sticks. First, we're gonna gather our materials. We need some nails. What else do we need?
Glitter glue.
Glitter glue.
And the little thingy.
And we'll show, come on. Nope, those are razor blades. Let's put these away somewhere safe. Kids never play with razor blades. Okay, always be safe in your projects. 12 and under, be sure and be supervised by a parent. Do not try these projects at home by yourself. Never.
And I'm eating my plum.
That's right. And Stella, tell them about the importance of safety during a crafts project.
Well, you have to have a grown-up with you. That's one thing. What? The plum's really good.
So now we're just going around and we're putting in, the more nails you put in,
Why do you have to put
the
a nail?
slower we're gonna put beans and corn and anything like that. We're gonna put them inside the tube and then close the tube
With tape.
with tape.
Hi guys, it's Craftsy Plums, and we already finished the rain sticks. Well, not really, because I'm gonna put tissue paper on mine. But I put some rubber bands on it,
That looks good.
glitter glue, and
We used a rolling
newspaper.
newspaper.
And I also put rubber bands on mine, like.
I really like that. That looks really good, Stella.
Yeah. I really
I
like
haven't put any rubber bands on mine. I just did green glitter glue and some
like
Rolling
black.
Stone magazine. We also, to put the paper on the tube, we mixed up some just plain white glue and water. Just kind of used our hands.
And we stirred it also.
We did stir it. And then we used our hands to.
Like, put it on to stick them together.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.
Yay!
Try making your own rain stick.
Yeah! And don't forget to subscribe to Jason Diamond,
Cool.
the director of this video. Forgot that.
Don't forget to
Like and subscribe.
like and subscribe.